Holy moly, that was a lot of information thrown at you. Hopefully you learned something new if you're experienced, and hopefully you learned a lot of things if you are just starting out. This is when the course really starts. This is when we start learning some useful skills, ways to use SQL, to interact with all these databases. So for the rest of the course, as we learn more and more about these, we're going to dive into SQL, how it works, and then later on, once we have a good understanding, we're going to revisit this idea of different databases, when to use what, how to use something like a key value store like Redis, when you should use something like MongoDB versus Postgres. But the key takeaway is that we first have to ask ourselves, one, do we have useful data? If we do, then we're going to need SQL. The two is, well, in this course, we're going to have to use a database. And for that, you'll see that eventually we're going to show you how to install a database software, a database management system onto your computer so that we can actually store this data. And then finally, we're going to use SQL to, first of all, add that data to the database and then use that data to find different interesting things. It's going to be a lot of fun. I hope you're excited. I know I am. Let's dive right in.